Here at Medaco, we highly encourage the installation and use of ceiling hoists when considering which mobility equipment to invest in. Ceiling hoists are a good option to have in your care environment as they are a simple and safe solution to your service users' moving and handling needs. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of installing a ceiling track hoist in your care facility. Ceiling track hoists are a great fit for care facilities as they are easy to use and help to optimise labour costs. Using a ceiling track hoist system requires less physical demands to manoeuvre, so it can be operated safely by one carer, enabling single-handed care. Installing a ceiling track hoist enhances the safety measures for both the service user and the carer. Ceiling hoists offer a smoother transition of movement for the service user. The risks of manual handling related injuries that can come from operating a mobile hoist can be decreased. Infection control is also a benefit of using a ceiling hoist. Ceiling hoists are typically used in one room, so it minimises the chance of cross-contamination between service users. The installation of a ceiling hoist system is completely customisable to your care facility and built specifically for your service user needs. This allows you to provide a higher level of care. As a ceiling hoist is installed overhead, it does not take up valuable floor space, unlike when using a mobile hoist, which uses floor space and can cause damage to the room and furniture. Installing a ceiling hoist is a good way to invest in mobility equipment when considering the whole life cost, as their lifespan can be up to 10 years. Most importantly, a ceiling hoist provides a smoother transfer for the service user, which helps to preserve their dignity when moving around the care facility. Further detailed information on ceiling hoists and installation can be found on our website and our blog pages. Here at Medaco, we are specialists in the ceiling hoist installations with a team of engineers who can create tailored solutions based on your facility requirements. If you would like more information or guidance on ceiling hoists, get in touch with Medaco. We will be happy to help.